Good morning, all of you. My name is Tasneem Sheikh. I am lecturing in a Brahmadev Mane Polytechnic, Belati, of Electrical Department. Today I will discuss electrical materials and wiring practice, in which 70 marks theory will be, and next is practical is 50 marks, and end of semester exam is 50 marks. Today I will deliver the first unit, electrical wiring components and safety devices. For this examination, it will ask for 14 marks and the option is clear about 20 marks. Okay, the content, first what in your mind, one question will be arises, what is the electrical materials and wiring? In which electrical materials and wiring, we have to study different types of conducting material, insulating material, paramagnetic material, what is the applications and properties of all these materials. Next one is different types of wiring is used in electrical installation. That is different wiring, go down wiring, conducting wiring, and next conduit wiring. Next is the content of my lecture is I rules of safety. Next, safety tools used in wiring, accessories, components, and with specification. Next, I rules in safety means there are the 27 rules is occur in an installation. From the 29 to 46, there is a safety rules, installations, cutout and earthing rules. Next one is the safety tools used in wiring. There are the different safety tools used in wiring. First one I explained the pillars. The pillars is used for the tightening and the loosening the screws. The standard size of the pillar is 150 mm. Standard size of the pillar is 150 mm to 200 mm. The material used is steel, and the pillars is used with insulations and without insulation. This is the with insulations pillar, when not insulation pillar is like this. Okay. Next one is the nose pillar. It is one type of the pillars. Next, nose pillar is the shape is like this nose, therefore it is known as a nose pillar. The standard when the screw is a small size and the gauges is small, at this time we have to use the nose pillar. The material is same used as a steel. Next one is the screwdriver. Screwdriver is the standard size of the screwdriver is 150 to 200 mm. The material is used for steel, and this is a insulation material. Okay, screwdriver is used for the tightening or losing. Screwdriver is used for the tightening or losing the screws. Okay, there are the different shape of the screwdriver. This is the standard size of the screwdriver. Next means the thin plated screwdriver also, and next is the diamond shape and square shape screwdriver is also present. Next is the tester. Tester is I am draw the some small diagram, internal diagram of the tester. All of you know the what is a tester. Tester is when you continuity of line part is checking. At this time we have to use the tester. In tester, I am drawn the small diagram of the tester. This is the metallic part, and next is the spring, and this is the neon bulb. When the connectivity is present in the circuit, at this time the neon bulb is on, means the connectivity is a light. Okay, next resistor and metallic part. I am just draw some simple diagram of the tester. Okay, next one is the test lamp. At this time, when the tester is not available, we have to use the test lamp. By using test lamp, we have to test the continuity of the voltage or continuity of current or continuity of supply. Okay, test lamp is just one lamp. One lamp we have to connect, one lamp connected to across the battery. This is a positive and negative. By using this diagram, we have to check what is the continuity of the tester. Next is a knife. Knife is just like a insulation remover. Insulation remover. When the cutter is not present at this time, we have to use the knife, and another is the cutter is also used. Cutter is remove the insulation. Next is the wire gauge. Wire gauge, there are the different ratings of the wires. At different ratings of the wires, by using wire gauge, we have to check the gauges of the wires. Means if you install some small installation, at this time we have to use the standard ratings of the wires. Which rating we have to use? By using wire gauge, we have to check standard ratings of the wire gauge. Means when the diameter is changes, the length is also changes. Length is changes means ratings is changes. Next is the different. All these are the different components, different tools used in an installation. Next is the accessories. Next point is the different accessories. In accessories, in accessories, that is the safety hand gloves, safety boots, goggles, and safety mats. Safety hand gloves means safety hand gloves is used for the protection of hands. There are the different types of the hand gloves, such as the cotton hand gloves, rubber hand gloves, synthetic hand gloves. Different types of hand gloves we have to use according to the ratings, according to the color code. There are the different voltage rating of the hand gloves. Means when you use 00 degree, at this time the maximum voltage AC and DC. At this time AC maximum voltage is 500 and DC is 150 volt. Next, when you use the 0 red, this is the code, color code of the hand gloves. 0 red color, at this time the maximum AC voltage is 1000 and DC is 1500 voltage. Okay, when you use 1 white, at this time the AC is 4500 volt and DC is 11250 volt. Okay, next similar, 2 yellow means 17,000 AC and 25,500 volt DC. Next is the 3 green means 26,500 AC voltage and 39750 volt DC voltage. Next one is the 4 orange means 36,000 AC voltage and 54,000 DC voltage. All these are the color code of the hand gloves. Hand gloves, maximum hand gloves used in is a synthetic or rubber hand gloves. This is a 0 red 1000 by 1500 volt we have to use. Next one is hand gloves. Next is the safety boots. Safety boots is used for the protections of the foot. If any following object is taught from the any following object is put on your boots, at this time we have to use the safety boots. Safety boots is used with the rubber or steel boots is also used. Safety boots is used for the protections of the foot. Next is the goggles. Goggles is used for the protection of the eyes. There are the different shapes and the size of the goggles is available in markets. Next one is the safety mats. Safety mats means just like hand gloves, there are some coating and some voltage coating and some color coding is given to the safety mats. That is the rubber mats. Class code is 0. At this time, the voltage capacity is 1000 and color is red. Next thing, one rubber mats, one class code, and at this time 7500 voltage, 7500 voltage white, and next 2 means the voltage rating is 17,000 volt and next color code is yellow. Next is 3, the voltage rating is 26,500 and the color code is green. Next is 4 number class code, the voltage rating is 36,000 and the color code is orange. Okay, all these are the rubber mats is required in the market. It is used for maximum in the industrial area. Okay, next one is the components with specification. There are the different components used in the electrical wiring, such as switch, holders, plug, circuit breaker, miniature circuit breaker, ELCB, RCB circuit breaker. ELCB, miniature circuit breaker, ELCBs, RCBs. ELCBs means earth leakage circuit breaker, RCB means residual current breaker. All these are the circuit breakers. When next switches, different switches is used for the on and off the circuit. We have to use the switch, means break and make the circuit by using switch. Okay. Next one is the holder. Plugs is connectivity point of view. We have to use the plugs. Next, circuit breaker. When excessive current is flowing in the circuit, we have to use the circuit breaker. The function of the circuit breaker or miniature circuit breaker is for the protection purpose. It is on and off automatically or fully manually. Okay, earth leakage circuit breaker is used for the earth leakage when is required in a installation. At this time the earth leakage circuit breaker is used. Today I have all of you learned the first lesson, overview of the first lesson, that is the I rules, safety tools, different accessories used, and the different components with specification is used in a. Thank you.